In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view average session length in Mixpanel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so you can see how long users typically spend in your product during each visit. Before we start, a quick note. Your project should already be tracking sessional start and session end events, either via Mixpanel's built-in session tracking or your own implementation. That's what lets Mixpanel calculate the time spent between those 2 points. First, open Mixpanel and head into the project you want to analyze. Make sure you're in the right environment, like production versus staging, so the numbers reflect real user behavior. From the main workspace, create a new report so you're working with a clean slate. This ensures you won't be modifying an existing query and makes it easy to focus just on session length. When the creation options appear, choose Insights. Insights is the flexible analysis view in Mixpanel that lets you combine events and metrics and see results over time or as a single value. It's perfect for exploring session length because it can pair related events and summarize them for you. In the metric picker, select session start as your first metric. This tells Mixpanel where each session begins. With that in place, add another metric and choose session end. Now you've defined both sides of the session window, which gives Mixpanel what it needs to compute the duration between them and surface the average. Once both metrics are in your query, Mixpanel will match session starts to their corresponding ends and display the average session length. Depending on your workspace settings, you'll see it either as a single summary number or plotted over time, such as by day or week. If the value looks surprisingly high or low, double check that both events are firing consistently and that you're looking at the correct project and date range. For clearer insights, consider narrowing the time frame to a recent period so you can spot trends like a drop after a release. If you want to understand which users drive your averages up or down, segment the view by properties such as platform, country, or plan. This won't change how the average is calculated. It just breaks the results into meaningful slices. Finally, remember that session definitions can vary by implementation and timeout settings. If sessions end because of inactivity, very short or very long sessions may affect your averages. Use that context when interpreting the chart and you'll be able to make informed decisions about engagement and retention. That's it. Your average session length is now visible in Mixpanel.